Good day fellow hams, good day mga karadyo. This is Delta Whiskey 3 Victor Tango Lima. We recently received a comment from VK3XCM or Victor Kilo 3 X-Ray Echo Mike Simon from Australia. He's asking if the Zastone D500 supports crossband. So if it means crossband repeater input, so let's see. So let's say we have the 144 megahertz. Okay, so let's try on the offset. So let's try on offset direction. So let's put 290 or let's say 285. Okay, so from 144 let's try to transmit. Okay, I hope Simon your questions been answered with this video, by this video I mean. Okay, the Zastone D500 supports crossband input, but it doesn't have a crossband repeater function. So that's it for now. Thank you Simon for giving the comment and the questions about the Zastone D500. So that's it for now fellow ham 73 and mabuhay.